Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Welcome to May 5th.
2026 on the Family Life Skills calendar.
Today's prompt is Abacus Prodigy Stories. Let's dive into inspiring tales of kids excelling in mental math and discover the power of focus and discipline. The abacus is an ancient tool that makes math come alive by visualizing numbers and operations. It's a fun and powerful way to boost concentration, memory, and problem-solving skills. Explore stories of young Abacus prodigies who solve complex math problems in seconds. These inspiring tales show how practice and a love for learning can turn challenges into achievements. Discuss the qualities that make these kids special: focus, dedication, and a positive attitude. Connect their journey to your own family's experiences of learning and growth. Try the abacus together as a family. Learn to count, add, or subtract using its beads. Make it fun by turning it into a game, challenging each other to solve simple problems quickly. Bring math into your daily life by solving small puzzles, counting objects, or discussing how math helps in everyday tasks like shopping or cooking. Celebrate your family's progress and reinforce the idea that math is more than just numbers. It's a way to solve problems, think creatively, and build confidence. Today's activity encourages interest in math, builds focus and discipline, fosters family engagement, promotes problem-solving skills, and instills a growth mindset. Celebrate Abacus Prodigy Stories Day by exploring the joys of mental math and the inspiration behind these incredible achievements. Together, you'll unlock the magic of learning and discovery. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt. School First Calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the School First team. Thank you and all the best.